I'm very, very pleased and honored to be a big part of Douglas Laboratories Beauty by DL products. We have co-formulated a lot of these products, and this has been a labor of love and a lot of research and really looking into what does what does a patient want when they come into an aesthetic practice or a wellness practice or a med spa, and how are we going to give them what they need so that along with doing aesthetic procedures, which I know we all do to rejuvenate their skin or use PRP or to tighten, their collagen, what can we do internally to support those treatments? And it's what I say to my patients all the time. You are spending your energy, time, money, resources on these treatments. It's very important that we support those treatments by supporting your nutrient levels and giving you the supplements that are going to help you keep those goals intact and have you spending ultimately in the long run much less money and much less resources, but you're going to have beauty from the inside. So if you look at all those products, and I'll go into details with these products, there's just a huge, wonderful line of comprehensive products that if you just carry this line, you'll cover all the bases. And that's what we wanted to do when we created the Beauty by DL line. So we're going to start off with some of my favorites. And this is so the first one, Beauty Essential. I think it's really important to remember that you want something that's a daily multivitamin. This is a nutrient-dense multivitamin and mineral formula. And what's great about it, it has a combination of polyphenols from green tea, pomegranate, grape, blueberry, and olive extracts. It has antioxidants and biotin, all for healthy aging and appearance. So it's a foundational supplement because it provides cellular support and protection to enrich the appearance of the hair, the skin. It also has some chelated minerals for optimal absorption, and that's very important. The polyphenols will quench the free radicals, which are caused by environmental stress factors, as we talked about, and what happens with aging. So in addition to this being a foundational multivitamin and mineral formula, Beauty Essentials also supports cognitive, eye, and bone health. So it's totally a home run. Every single aesthetic patient of yours should be on the Beauty Essential product. The next one is Omega Beauty. Why is that important? Because it is a very unique combination of essential fatty acids and a clinically studied blend of my favorite, coriander seed oil, blackcurrant seed oil, and lycopene. All of this is going to hydrate and nourish your patient's hair, nails, and skin. It's going to promote hair thickness, density, improve the nail strength, reduce brittleness, and it's got a really unique blend that's going to improve the skin's retention of moisture. It decreases itchiness and reduces the nail brittleness. So it's really great because we're going to supplement with 600 milligrams of coriander seed, which is included in just one dose of Omega Beauty. So this is an amazing product. And we all believe in omega fatty acids, right? So why not give them a product that's going to address all of this? The next one is one of my favorites that we actually came up with several years ago, and it's been a hit ever since. It's called Ultra Hair, Skin, and Nails, Ultra HNS for short. This is one of my favorites, and I've been on it for years because it supplies a very good, healthy, high dose of biotin, as well as something called sinatine HNS. That is a solubilized keratin, and it's extracted for increased bioavailability. So if you give something to your patients and you can't actually absorb it, then what's the point, right? So it improves hair and nail strength, reduces hair loss. That's associated with washing. So if your patients are saying, I'm seeing these chunks falling out in the shower, this is an amazing product for them, because really what it's going to also do is after 3 months, the research has shown that the individuals that are supplemented with sinatine really had improvements in hair loss, hair shine, brightness, and then you actually saw over 50% reduction in brittleness of the nails. So very important products. So the clinical research score, as you see on the screen, there's some great slides as far as what the Omega Beauty can do and the Ultra HNS, what we're seeing is the clinical score of skin hydration was assessed on a visual analog scale, and we actually saw a higher score indicating hydrated skin, and individuals who supplemented had an increase in clinical score, which is really important because they saw skin moisture go up. And that's important because a lot of us just don't see that skin moisture going up. With the Ultra HNS, we're seeing that, you actually see an increase in the moisture of the skin with the cyanotyne and increased elasticity of the skin after only 60 days. So really, you're just going to give this to them and then see them back in about 2 months, and they're going to come in and tell you how much better they feel about their skin and their hair. So those products are really kind of like your foundational products that everybody should be on. Then we have a group of products that support different things in skin, right? So you're going to have Skin Clarify, which is a very unique product because it contains a great combination of antioxidants, special fruit extracts, and clinically studied vitamins and minerals to promote a very healthy complexion. So, people who have acne or other things in their complexion, this is designed to support a clear complexion because it rejuvenates dull skin and enhances the skin appearance. What we saw is women who supplemented with a combination of grapeseed extract, magnesium, and vitamin B6 and C saw improvements in clear skin, texture, shine, and pore dilation. I mean, I do pore lasers like laser genesis all the time. But if you could have a supplement to support that, you're going to see a whole lot better results with your products. The next one that I like a lot is Skin Probiotic. Now, you and I both know we believe in probiotics. We believe in a healthy gut. We believe in everybody needing to be on probiotics. This is a very interesting product because it contains a clinically studied probiotic strains plus carotenoids to protect and hydrate the skin. We know that we have unhealthy bacteria in our gut that also translates to having this unhealthy bacteria all over our body, including the skin. So this particular probiotic protects the skin barrier against environmental factors that impact aging directly. It also hydrates the scalp and reduces flaking, which is very important. We've seen that a daily dose of skin probiotic containing 1 billion CFU and this carotenoid mixture was shown to enhance skin density and defenses after just 4 months. Very, very unique product. So really would consider having this as part of your regimen for your patients. The other one that I always do for any patient that I'm doing laser procedures, skin tightening procedures, Botox and fillers, I always send them home with hydrolyzed collagen. Why do I do that? Because it's a unique powder formulation, and actually they can just take a scoop of this powder and put it in their morning smoothie, which is another thing that I do for all my patients is I give them a protein smoothie and make it very non-inflammatory. And I ask them to put a scoop of this in their morning smoothie because this formulation contains collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, which you and I both know we do a lot of topical. So I do use hyaluronic serum for my patients, and I combine this. And also hydro peach ceramides to revitalize the skin for a glowing, youthful appearance while promoting collagen production to improve skin elasticity. So when you do procedures like L-therapy or tight lace or other such procedures, you want to definitely include hydrolyzed collagen as part of that. The next one is Skin Nourish. The Skin Nourish is also very, very important because it really contains this special skin nutrient blend that has antioxidants and phytoceramides to support the appearance of healthy skin, enhance hydration, and improve elasticity and give you a radiant skin. So the product that's in it that's very important is Skin AX2. It's a clinically studied combination of grapeseed, SOD, vitamin C, flavonols, and zinc. And this particular product was shown to enhance skin luminosity and firmness after just 8 weeks of supplementation in the clinical studies that were done with this product. So very important to perhaps add this so that you can have improved moisture and skin barrier function. So those were sort of an overview of all these products that I think are really incredible. When you look at what I mentioned to you a little bit earlier is the Skin AX2 product, the specialized nutrient blend of clinically studied ingredients containing this has shown that women who supplemented with this just in 8 weeks, in 2 months, had great skin. So very important to know that all of these products have clinical research behind them. This is not just some group of ingredients that we threw together. Excellent clinical results that give you the assurance as a practitioner, because I look for an assurance that these products have been studied and have actually shown to be very effective, statistically significantly effective. And that's what you're seeing with these products. So you can feel rest assured that your patients are going to be really happy. Now, I want to talk about the product called Hair Growth. This is one of my favorites, and ever since we released this, it's been incredibly popular for my patients. And the reason being that we used to have the product called Ultra Hair Skin and Nails, and that was really amazing. And it decreases the loss of hair. But it was really hard to actually regrow hair. So I was using things like hair PRP, the low-level laser, a product line of different shampoos, conditioner, hot oil treatment, and vinegar rinses. Now that we have hair growth supplement, I've been really excited to report that I put this alongside all my hair PRP patients because it contains a very interesting ingredient called Anagain NU. This is an organic pea shoot extract and a clinically studied combination of grapeseed and green tea polyphenols, zinc, and taurine, and supports healthy hair growth and reduce loss by balancing the hair growth cycles to restore hair health. So of course, we know that there are 3 different cycles in hair, and we want to be in the hair growth, the anagen cycle, as much as possible. What we saw is in as early as 1 month, individuals in the clinical studies had a significant reduction in hair loss of 34%, which is huge, and improved hair density when supplementing with 100 milligrams of Anagain NU. After 3 months, we saw a significant decrease of hair loss and increase in hair density from supplementation with a combination of the taurine, zinc, and grapeseed extract and the green tea extract. So what we're seeing is this is a fantastic product for hair growth, especially when you add it with Omega Beauty. That combination will be amazing for your patients who are looking for actual hair growth. And like I said, in as early as just 1 month, individuals saw a 34% reduction. That is huge. And I haven't ever come across a product that's clinically studied and gives these amazing results. So when you think about putting both of these together, what you're seeing is that there's biologic parameters of hair growth in participants that was measured using trichoscans. So, actually looking at the hair follicles software, which quantitatively analyzed magnified images of designated scalp areas. The total number of hairs, anagen and telogen rates were calculated, and individuals who supplemented with this saw an increase of anagen and telogen ratio, which suggested that with the combination, we were able to balance the hair cycle, which it's very, very difficult to do. So that has been an incredible finding through the clinical studies. With all of this being together and, with us as practitioners, having now these products that can give us a very, very science-based clinical studies that we can share with our patients. And we're, more than happy. And all of these studies are readily available. All of these studies would come to you with the catalogs and with the products that you order, I actually show the studies to my patients because I think it's really important. All of our patients are very well informed. They want to know that whatever they're putting in their bodies, whatever they even spend a penny on now, especially with the pandemic and with people going through financial distress, with all the stress, I'm seeing so much hair loss and so much of skin issues with my patients, whether it be just looking very dull and not feeling good, and the collagen breakdown, because stress will do that to all of us, whether it's your hair, your skin, your nails, as well as most patients are not eating well, they're not taking their supplementation, their hormones may be out of whack, they might be exposed to all these toxins. So, all of this will result in appearance not being the best. And so, I show these studies to my patients so that they understand why these products are unique and different and why they should engage in trying to bring these products into their regimen and then supplement that with all of your laser treatments, your neurotoxins, your fillers, as well as PRP injections, collagen stimulation injections, all of that you're trying to do, and even body sculpting. There is nobody that has a body sculpting treatment in my office that'll walk out without the collagen powder. I just insist on it because I think we're trying to build collagen. Why not build it with this? So if you want to learn more about these products, please visit beautybydl.com. There's a plethora of information and amazing information about the science, and you can certainly get all the information that you need. So with that, I'd like to just summarize that when you're seeing your patients for anything that is skin related, health related, nails, hair related, look at the root cause of what's going on, because all of these conditions are based on what's going on inside our bodies. And then discover the Beauty by DL difference and literally send this all information to your patients, because that's what I do. And patients just love hearing about all this science and all this amazing information and knowing why these products are so unique and so different. If you'd like to get more information, just want to share a couple of things. My book is wonderful for women, especially who are trying to feel better, feel healthier, and get the overall inner vitality and outer rejuvenation. You can get it on Amazon, or if you'd like a copy, just reach out to us at our office, drshel.com. Please listen to our podcast. It's called Get Well with Dr. Shel, something that I really talk about inner vitality and outer rejuvenation. Also, we're doing a complimentary Dr. Shel Detox and Immunity Challenge, which is readily available to you to share with your patients on our website, drshelinstitute.com. And one of the wonderful things that I support because of my husband's battle with ALS is neurodegenerative diseases and ALS. And I'd welcome you to go to our website, alsheroes.com. Just give us a call, go to our website and reach out if you have any questions about how I incorporate this into my practice. And I'm here to help anytime. And thank you so much for your time. I'd like to thank Douglas Laboratories as well as the Aesthetics Show, and thank each one of you to spend your time with us today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.